In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your own fonts. I use FontSpace. Just type in font, F-O-N-T space, S-P-A-C-E, all one word, for fontspace.com. You're going to find that there are a lot of different fonts that you can use personally, 100% free, and then they have also 100% commercial free fonts as well. I'm in Canva. I just want to show you. I just typed in just a regular text box, added a text box here, a heading. If I click on it, in order to upload a font, I have to go up here. This is a Canva Sans font right now. If I click on the down arrow, here at the bottom of my font choices, it says upload a font. This is where we're going to be uploading it. I got to get the font there first. I want to show you how to do that, and then we'll come back and upload. By the way, there are two versions of Canva. There's one completely free. It's a scaled down version, and then there's the Pro version. You need the Pro version in order to upload your own fonts, but you can check out the Pro version of Canva for 30 days for free. Highly recommend it. If you haven't heard about it or haven't tried it yet, you got to try this program. It is amazing for all kinds of things, social media wise, video wise, presentations, etc. I'll put the link in the description below. Check it out. Again, I highly recommend it. We are on FontSpace. I already typed in the word heat. That's what I'm searching for. Our font styles that have to do with heat. I can type in a word here that shows up then as a text box. Since I'm looking for 100% free, meaning commercial use as well, there's right here this little circle. If I click on it, now you're only going to see commercially free, 100% free fonts. So I can scroll down, check all these different ones out. You're never going to get as many as if it's just personal use, but I like this coffee one, so I'm going to go ahead and download it. You're just clicking this little cloud to download the font. So it is downloading. Then I need to show you how to unzip the file, because that's the thing. These come in as zipped, meaning they're condensed, and you need to unzip the file, and then you can go ahead and upload it into Canva. Of course, anytime you download a file, it's going to show up here at the bottom. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go ahead and show it in the folder. It's in my downloads folder, and I want to go ahead and I want to get it into my folder I use a lot of times for different projects, nychemcoach. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in here in this folder. Now it's gone from my downloads. I'm going to click on nychemcoach, and here it is at the top. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. When I click on it, what I want you to see is it says extract all up at the top. I'm going to hit the box here. It's going to tell me where do I want to put it, and I'm going to extract it right in this folder. So I'm going to go ahead and click extract, and here is my font. I double click on that. Here it is, and I'm going to go ahead and click install. All right, it should be installed now on my computer. Click that, and then let's go back to Canva. Okay, so back in Canva, I'm going to upload a font, and I have to find it, of course. It is MMM. Let's do that. There it is. Sometimes it's just easier to search for it, and I just found it, and I'm going to confirm, yes, that I do have the rights to work with this font, and it's uploading. All right, so it should be here. Let's take a look. Click on the word again. I want to click on the fonts, and let's see if I can find it now. Put it in here, MMM. There it is. Always helps to remember the name of the font. And it's that easy, and then it's in Canva, and you can use it on anything. Well, I hope I helped, and you give this a try. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and check out more videos. Thanks for watching.